What makes Starrett the favorite brand for consumers when it comes to jigsaw blades? Incomparable technology and innovation. These exclusive models will transform the experience of jigsaw users with perfect finishes, high performance, absolute quality, and much more economy. Starrett's Bi-Metal Unique technology diffusion bonds two strips of high-speed steel to the lower sides of the blade's carbon steel backing, forming two new cutting edges at the center of the blade, a total of 4 cutting edges. The unified shank allows them to be used with virtually all the main jigsaw brands on the market. Resistance and durability also make a difference. Dual-cut blades do not leave burrs. In addition, there's a much smaller amount of wood chips. Starrett blades cut significantly faster than any other blade. They're more resistant and last a lot longer. So efficiency is guaranteed. Starrett, precision, quality, and innovation.